This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of the caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. If necessary, drain off some of the fluid. Unscrew the lower caliper mounting bolt and pivot the caliper up to access the pads. Support the caliper in this position with a length of wire so it doesn't fall down while replacing the pads. Remove the inner and outer pads from the mounting bracket. Remove the upper and lower pad retaining clips from the caliper mounting bracket. If they are cracked or distorted, or you are in doubt of their condition, replace them. Pull the caliper along with the upper guide pin out of the mounting bracket. Clean the guide pin, inspect it for scoring and corrosion, then lubricate it with high-temperature brake grease. Insert the guide pin and caliper back into the bracket until the boot seats completely. Repeat this cleaning, inspection, and lubrication step for the lower guide pin, then install it. If desired, apply an anti-squeal compound to the backs of the new pad backing plates where they mate with the caliper and piston. Allow the compound to cure for a few minutes before installing the pads. Do not allow the compound to contact the disc. Install the inner and outer brake pads into the mounting bracket. Pivot the caliper over the pads and install the lower mounting bolt. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake pads. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Install the front wheels and lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle. Tighten the front wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid, if necessary, until the fluid reaches the max line in the reservoir.